trip that I was really excited about. We flew to Corfu, one of the islands in the Ionian Sea. Actually, it was our first time in Greece and we didn't know what the best time to visit the island is. It turns out that the weather was pretty nice, not too hot, not too cold. I have a large amount of footage from the flight because it was really beautiful, especially when we flew over Croatia. It's also worth mentioning that Corfu Airport offers a scenic approach. The runway is located between the sea and a lagoon, offering breathtaking views for passengers during takeoff and landing. There is also a spot for plane spotting nearby that I will share with you in one of the upcoming videos. One thing definitely worth considering is renting a car. Our hotel was on the east side of the island and the taxi turned out to be pretty expensive. Renting a car for longer periods of time will give you more flexibility to explore the island and save some money for taxis. Our hotel was Kairaba Mythos and it was situated in this beautiful green area. There wasn't much going on, so it's rather a destination if you want to rest and have an epic holiday. And of course, the most prominent sign of an all-inclusive hotel is the restaurant with lots of food. There were different concepts or cuisines every evening, so the whole experience was really great. The beach area was public and didn't belong to the hotel itself, that's why there weren't any cool facilities or refreshments there. But a huge advantage was lack of crowds. A great idea was to take a mask for snorkeling as there was plenty of fish in the sea. Also, GoPro is a true game changer that allows us to capture this amazing footage. Of course, it's not that diverse as in Egypt, for example, where the corals and thousands of colorful fish species are there, but there was something about it. Another great investment was in our water shoes. As the shore was covered with stones and not sand, many people had a really hard time going in and out of the water. Some other activities that we can usually do are water sports. We rented a jet ski and shot some cool videos with a drone. Because of the close proximity of the Corfu Airport, it might be difficult to fly a drone in different parts of the island without breaking the rules. It is generally not an issue to fly there, but you should check the map for restricted zones. Also, some movement was great, especially because of the abundance of food. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.